Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new. I look a little greasy right now, but that's because I just did my skincare and I slicked my hair back. But that's because today I'm going to be installing the Sensationnel Butta Lace Unit 5 wig. I have it in the shade T4/golden brown. I slicked my hair back because I am unfortunately one of the people that cannot braid to the scalp. I know, very tragic. I usually either slick my hair down like this, or if I'm in a rush, and I kind of am right now, but I either do that or I do like a bunch of tiny single braids and then just, you know, put it back underneath the cap. I did not do the braids. I completely forgot and I don't really have time to do it right now. Now this looks a little crazy, but it's the best I could do right now, and I feel like it looks okay minus these, but it'll be under the cap so it won't really matter. So yeah, I just parted my ponytail in 2 sections and I braided it and bobby pinned them up on either side. Again, this is Sensationnel Butta Lace Unit 5 in golden brown. It is allegedly virtually undetectable HD lace. It says that it's pre-plucked, but I saw some people saying that it had changed, that it actually used to be pre-plucked and now it's not. And this picture isn't really helping their case. This right here, that part right there is not helping their case because it does not look pre-plucked right there. But they say it is, so we'll see. It also comes with baby hair already. But this is her out the net and out of the box. A lot of people were saying that it was big, and I like big hair, so I mean I wasn't complaining about that whatsoever, but it's not as big as I feel like people were kind of making it. Maybe the people that were saying that were people with smaller heads, and I am not of the small head community, so maybe that's what it was. But I think it's cute. It doesn't look too big to me. Again, I like big hair, so it may be too big to somebody else. So that's just me. But I really like the color. I usually soak them in fabric softener and boiling hot water. So I don't think I'm gonna do that to this one because I don't want to ruin the curls. Although that probably wouldn't happen since it's synthetic. But I think for the sake of this video, I think I'm just going to spray it with the same solution and then trim it a little and hope that works. I'm gonna put this on just to see how it looks first. Ooh, this is it on without me doing anything else first. And to all of my fellow women out there with large heads, it went on very smoothly. But remember to take loose the elastic straps that are inside so that it can go on a little easier. The lace isn't squeezing my head up here, so that's great. Fresh out of the box, I think it looks pretty good. I really like the color too. I saw somebody on TikTok saying to turn it around. Now, that's if you don't want to part or anything, I guess. But just to see, I mean, I kind of just want to see what it looks like, so. But I want to see what she was talking about because, oh, girl, ooh. I guess if you're going for like a, you know, one of them looks where you can't see the part anyways, that could work. I mean, I don't even have it on all the way. It doesn't look awful, but I feel like I like the way it looks, you know, the right way. But I just wanted to see what she was talking about. I kind of get it, but I don't think it's for me, so. Let me take this off. And let me do this cap. Ebin tinted lace spray is what I'm tinting the lace with. I got it in the shade medium brown. That's it up against my arm after tinting it. So it definitely looks a lot better and blends in a lot more. So yeah, that lace tint definitely is a game changer in my opinion. So now I need to do my cap. I'm gonna be trying out the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 13. A lot of people on TikTok were saying to go with the darker color for your cap, and I'm not sure why. I really can't tell you. So I think that I might just mix these two. If I sound a little unenthusiastic, it's not because I'm not excited about this wig. It's because I haven't been feeling very well today, and it is 3 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, I'm also tired. But I'm gonna get this done because my birthday is, well, today actually. And although I'm not really going anywhere, I like to look nice still, so there's that. Anyways, this wig is getting put on, so let me see how it looks with the cap and the lace tinted. You can definitely see the cap from what I just saw. My hairline coming up here is just a downfall, really. This looks a mess because I use it a lot, but I'm gonna hold it back so you can't really see it. This is Gorilla Snot gel, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that and my rat tail comb to put a little bit of gel up here. I forgot to put a disclaimer at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to put one there. I'm not a professional, okay? I'm still learning myself. I'm just doing as best as I can. So yeah, again, if there's any tips you have, please let me know. So now I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued freeze spray and spray a little bit along the line. Now this is supposed to be ear to ear, but again, I have a large head, so it's not really coming down. It's not coming down as much as it should. And if I really wanted to, you know, show off the edges, I'd probably have to squeeze it very tightly, and I don't want to do that, so I probably just won't show them. If I need to do any other types of styles, I'm gonna have to have something down there covering it. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Okay, so there is a little area in here where you can see the separation of the cap and stuff. So I'm just gonna go back in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and try a little bit of that on the outside and see how that works. I'm gonna section this first. I'm actually gonna start here. Let me put this back before I end up cutting it. Not cutting the entire thing with this, but just loosening it up a little bit so that it's easier to cut. Or, yeah, okay, there we go. So that is in 3 sections, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side. Okay, so like I thought, it was a little far back, so I moved it up a little bit. It still looked kind of crazy. All I'm gonna do is put a little more Got To Be spray on it and blow dry it a little bit, and then probably put the band back on it, and that should do it. Very stupid of me to do my skincare again. What was going through my head? I'm gonna go back in with this a little bit. Just a little bit right here, where I feel like I can still kind of see the separation. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and I'll come in if I decide to do something else with it. I think that this turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with the way that it looks. And this is the final look with makeup and everything else done. I did a little bit of my wax stick at the top, but other than that, I didn't really change anything else. This is from me sleeping a few hours with it under a bonnet, so I think it still looks pretty good.